Good morning, internet. It's 5 a.m. and look at that. It's raining. I don't know how far I'll reach.
Mira el camino rojo, se guarda mamma quando
This is what a 7 degrees Celsius morning looks like. I'm in Manali right now, staying in old Manali in Manali guest house, and there was quite a bit of snowfall that happened yesterday. By the time I reached, it was already stopped. I'm near this bridge in old Manali, and you see what is down there. And here's Ricky. And this Nala is this Nala? This is the Manalsu Nala, which you can see. This is going to meet near the Bias, in the Bias River. Here is my new friend Raja, and here is Raja's mother. If you are in Manali, you have to have, and it's so yummy. Let me take it good. Morning internet. It's the 15th of December 2020, and I am in Manali. I'm taking a walk in the nature park. It's in Old Manali. So if you happen to come to Old Manali, do not miss this nice walking trail. It's beautiful with huge tall trees and nice rocks, and then there's a walkway they have made. This is how the walkway is. It's a nice place that you can see out here. So when you are in Manali around this time, you need to be really sure that you wear proper clothing, and not only the clothing but also footwear is very critical. Since I was riding on my motorcycle, I was having my riding shoes and my riding boots. The terrain of Manali is like you have inclines and declines. Since there's a decline or an incline, the chances of slipping on the road are pretty high. So please make sure that you wear proper gear while you're taking a stroll in Manali and when you're enjoying your holidays in Manali, especially in winters and when there's snowfall. So while taking this stroll in the nature park, I happen to see some nice views. I'll just show you. I thought it would be a small walkway, but it's actually a good trail and probably a kilometer amidst the tall coniferous trees. The sun is already out.